Ismail Hassan. Then Mahadin Ahmed. After that, I'd like to request Maisha Mundahina Islam to be over here. Mahuna Mahabub, please come to the stage. Mahadin Ahmed is receiving the crest from Sister Ruma. After that, I'm going to request Manda Advita Orna. Following her, please arrive Muhammad Mushfiqur Rahman. Maisha Mumtahina is receiving her crest from Sister Muhammad Mushfiqur Rahman. After that, Muhammad Rafsan Khani Rafi. Muhammad Rafsan